Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 7 comparing quantities example 10. The question is a TV was bought at a price of rupees 21,000. After 1 year the value of the TV was depreciated by 5%. Find the value of the TV after 1 year. So actually we have the formula that is P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n. This we will use whenever we have rate of percentage, right, as a increasing value. Okay, but here they are saying that it is depreciated. So depreciation means it is a reduction. Okay, so instead of using this formula we will use P into 1 minus R by 100 the whole power n. Okay, why? Because they have said that it is reduction. Reduction means we have to use minus, increasing means we have to use plus in the formula. Okay, so here the price of the TV it is given by 21,000. Okay, so the P value is given by price of the TV, it is 21,000. After 1 year they are saying, right, so n is equal to 1 here and depreciation percentage is 5%. So R here is 5%, and again as I said, since it is reduction we have to use this formula. Okay, so find the value of the TV. So we have to find the value of the TV. Value of the TV it is given by P into 1 minus R by 100 the whole power n. So what is P? It is 21,000. So 1 minus what is R? It is 5. 5 by 100 the whole power. N value it is 1 because it is 1 year. Okay. So anyway the whole power 1 it is 1. It is the same value. Okay. So 21,000 into, so the LCM is 100. So 100 minus 5. Okay. So the power 1 you can leave it. So 21,000 into, it is 95 by 100. So 00 get cancelled both in the numerator and denominator. So 95 into 210 it is. We have to find out. So 95 into 210. So 00 5 9 5 2s are 10 1. So 18 plus 1 it is 19. So 0 5 9 9 1. So the answer is rupees 19,950. Okay, so this is the value of the TV after 1 year. Using the depreciation formula, the amount from 20,000 has been reduced to 19,950. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.